but it's morning, and Nova's still not here because I think it's Thursday. Sorry about that. I think it's Thursday, but we don't have school for the rest of the week, even though I wasn't even gonna go to school on Friday anyways, because I'm going to family Christmas. Did I say that in my last video? I think I might have. But anyways, I'm back with another video. I bet you guys miss Nova. I kind of do too. I feel like it would be a lot more fun with her here. But I totally forgot that I have something else I want to show you guys in this video. Anyways, let me go grab it real quick. Sorry guys, I'm not prepared, but anyways. Where is it? Hello guys. Here it is. So, I don't know if you guys are aware of fidget toys, but I have those. That'll be on. I brought some fidgets with me. Let me just turn the phone so you guys can see better, like last time. Okay, that should be good. So first I brought this poppet. It's like a drink poppet. It's really cool, like one of my favorites. And I also have another favorite that's really, really cool. It's like, let me get it out to show you guys. It's a little heart puppet with like ABCs on it. You guys probably can't see it, but there's ABCs on the puppet. It's very, very satisfying. I definitely recommend it. You can get them at Walmart. They came out with poppets. And I also brought my Dimple. This is more of a fidget for babies, but like a lot of fidget collectors have it, and I really love it. It's really, really pretty, and it's my favorite fidget. You guys are gonna love this. He's so cute. He's very cute, and he's very fluffy. And who cares? Oh my gosh. Anyways, so the next ones are mochis. You can get them literally everywhere. They probably have them at Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, like probably any store. So let me just take all of them out. Okay. I think that was all of them. But first I have this cute little chubby duck. Cute little fat kitty. Another pink kitty, but he's chunky. And a little white bear. And a little turtle. Has hair on them. All my mochis have hair on them. This is my favorite one. I used to have a green axolotl, but this is an axolotl. It's yellow. He's so cute. He's like my favorite one ever. Literally, he's my favorite mochi. Wait. Never mind. And this little moose. I thought I brought my unicorn mochi. Aww. That unicorn mochi was one of my favorites, and I thought I brought it. Well, whatever. I also brought this Play-Doh slime. It's really satisfying. And then this dinosaur stuffed ball, Orbeez ball. These two squishies. They're really satisfying. Anyways, I got those from Walmart. No, I got those from Dollar General. Well, Dollar Tree, but I didn't. I got those from... Where did I get those from? Oh yeah, they were from Dollar General, but then I have this little L-shaped mini Pop-It. Little unicorn mini Pop-It. Cupcake mini Pop-It. And I have a really long, stretchy monkey noodle that's like textured. I have this snapper. And then I have this really cute like unicorn putty. It's like a little plastic unicorn toy in it. And then this little soccer ball fidget spinner thing. And I think that's it. But then I got this infinity cube. And last but not least, a simple dimple. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video that me and Nova make. Anyways, I'm losing my time, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good, great, beautiful day, and bye!